Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Fancy Crafty Life. I decided to purchase a book this week, and I've been watching the author of this book, Mark Montano. Oh, month and a half, 2 months now, something like that. And the other day, I actually did one of his crafts. I did the dolls, and I actually used glossy accents to seal them. I kind of shined them up. They're kind of cool. And matter of fact, I bought 2 more dolls today here because I'm gonna make a Sally. From the night before Christmas for my daughter who loves her night before Christmas. And somebody gave me that idea in my chat, so I ordered it from Amazon. And in this one is the big ass book of crafts. More than 150 crafts to fill your home, give to friends, decorate the art, or send to mom. So let's check it out, guys. It all has an introduction. My good friend, cool. So let's see. Card artwork. Oh, look at that. Dang art. Oh, look at cards. That's cool. I can't wait to actually try some of these art stitch plates. 3D photo. Bronze baby sculpture. Here we go. Ho ho. Look at it. I can take bronze baby. Look at bronze baby. Oh wow, that's cool. Postcard quilt art piece. Living doll. Simple vintage posters. Renaissance art pieces. Oh, I got Renaissance pieces too. Large wall hole. I know he's got a few other books that I might pick up. Dominoes. Yeah, do dominoes. What is he making here? You'll see sticky notes. Bound books. Okay, gotcha. Never did a bound book, but that'd be awesome to try, wouldn't it? A bound book? Oh, spiral bound notebooks. Baby had paperweight. Look at the baby. Maybe it was meant to be. I'm supposed to get those baby dolls so I could do this stuff. That's funny. Oh, no, that's cool. Oh, wow, that'd be cool to do. Lights. And they're made out of a wire basket using put together. Oh, cool. Straws, guys. These are straws. Twig chandelier. Laminated chandelier. That's all like book pages. Laminated and hung. Now that's kind of cool too. These are reasonably tissue paper covered industrial hanging lamp. Chicken wire. Affordability crafts. Oh wow. Oh, I've done a wind chime with the forks and stuff, and then a light. More straws. A lot of straws. Baskets. Seen that done before. What the hell? Popsicle sticks? Yep. Yep, popsicle sticks. Interesting. Can we table that? Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Play checkers. Or chess, I guess. What? Laundry basket. Huh, interesting. So some of it, you know, duct tape table. Cool. Might not be affordable, but you know, if you find a piece at a garage sale or on the side, I mean, I've seen furniture on the side of the curb that I could easily do something like this to. You never know. Oh, look at plates. Oh no, that's cool. Not my gig, but I could see doing something like that. This is more me. I've done those plates before. Embellishment flowers with faces in with those rocks. That's a cool idea. Urban corsage. It's like a snippet thingy. Laminated luggage tag. Hair barrettes. Alto suede scarf. Alto suede art case. Laminated jewelry. Showing how to do that head would be cool. Personalized photo pajamas. Interesting. Laminated bookmarks. Using paint things. I've done that myself. Some of these I've done, but some of these are out there. I'll admit. I thought this was cool right here. I wish I had had this book years ago when I had my studio apartment, because I tell you, I'd have did this between my bedroom and like the kitchen. It was all open except for the bathroom was actually the only room that was enclosed. I would have put one of these for a wall for my bedroom. I thought that was cool. And them are all zip ties. I could have handled doing that. That would have been so cool. Instead of this blanket I put up there. It just felt like I needed privacy in a bedroom. I don't know why. It's only me there living. I can imagine I paid $160 a month for my little studio apartment. I think it's probably $600-700 now. Let's see, years ago. It's like, let's see, that means 29, so that would be 31 years ago. Yeah. And my heat was included. This is a cool book. I'm glad I picked this up. I think the other ones are called, hang on, I will tell you. Because he's got a few of them. Let me go to my Amazon orders. Oh. Okay. I paid $27.98 for this book. And I know he has a few others, so hang on. I'm going to copy. Okay. This is, which one is this? Okay, this is this first one, the Big Ass Book of Crafts. And then there is the Big Ass Book of Crafts 2. And then the Big Ass Book of Bling. And then I think that's, or the Big Ass Book of Home Decor. Yeah, I think that's it. So that's kind of cool. Oh, okay. So, I'm happy I grabbed this. It's kind of cool. Neat. A lot of different stuff. I'll walk through it more when I'm done. Slower. See what take out to do. Well, see, colored pencils. Get a cheap pencils from Dollar Tree and bring it around the can. Some of this, it's like, wow, why didn't I think of that? Matchboxes. Got plenty of those around the house. A photo tree, that's cool. So there's all sorts of different things. Outdoor. Paper mache. Maybe paper mache dead devil. Creepy. Okay, that'd be kind of cool to make those heads. Checkbook cover. Craft paper feathers. Circuit box. This is what I was checking out earlier. When I was kind of looking through it before I did the video, I want to learn how and do this. Glaze cards, it's called. So I want to check that out. There's a lot in here to create with and get some inspiration. Alrighty, so that is my big ass book of crafts by Mark Montano. I know I'm probably saying his name wrong. So I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody, and have a wonderful day. Bye.